What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Webflow to n8n step by step. So let's get started. So first, head over to the n8n website and then just sign in with your n8n account. And after that, in the new tab, you will be redirected to the home page of n8n. From here on the right side, you need to click on Create Workflow. And after clicking on Create Workflow, you will be welcome to the editor page. From here, you need to click on Add First Step, and after that click on Trigger Manually, and after that click on this plus icon, and then in the search you just need to search for Webflow. And when you search it, you will see this Webflow icon here. Click on this and then choose the action that you want. Like I want to update an item. I'll click on this action, and from here I'll click on Create New Credentials. From here I need to connect my Webflow account to my n8n account. I'll simply click on Connect My Account, and after that a pop-up window will appear. From here I just need to connect my workspace or my site, whatever I'd like. I'm connecting my workspace. After that, when the connection is successful, as you can see, the account has been connected and my Webflow has been connected to the n8n. But that's not all, guys. You want to list the resource, you want to list the operation, and after that, when you click on settings, here are the multiple settings that you can customize. And when you are done, and when you click on it, you need to enter your site name or ID, and you need to also enter your collection name and your item ID. I currently don't have these information, so if you have these informations of your own, you can enter it and then click on execute step, and then your step will be executed. And then you will be finally able to connect Webflow to n8n. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.